Good morning, children. Yesterday we have done triangle law of addition and we have calculated the resultant and magnitude. Now, today we will do numerical based on triangle law of addition. First numerical is if two forces equal in magnitude and direction acting at right angle to each other, if resultant is 1 for 1 for Newton, find the magnitude of each force. Yes, in the question it is given two equal forces. So A is equal to B is equal to X, acting at right angle, theta is equal to 90. Resultant is 1 for 1 for Newton. Now we can use triangle law of addition using R square equal A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. R is 1414 whole square. This is A square x square plus x square 2 into x cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. Complete will be 0. X square plus x square. This is 2x square. 1414 whole square. Or you can write 1414 under root 2 into x. Under root 2 is 1.414 x. So x will be 1000. Therefore A is equal to 1000 Newton as well as B is also 1000 Newton. In the next question, two forces whose magnitude in the ratio 3:5 resultant is 35 Newton. If angle of inclination is 60 degree, find the magnitude of each force. Now, let each force equal x. Therefore, A is equal to 3x, B is equal to 5x. Resultant 35 Newton. Theta is 60. Using R square equal A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. 35 square. This is A is 3x, B is 5x, 2 into 3x into 5x into cos 60. 1 2 to 5. Cos 60 1 by 2. (49 x square) 1 2 to 5 x square 1 2 to 5 by 49. So x will be 5. Therefore A is 3 into 5, B is 5 into 5, In the next question, at what angle do two forces P plus Q and P minus Q act so that resultant is under root 3 P square plus Q square? A is P plus Q, B is P minus Q, R is under root 3 P square plus Q square. Using R square equal A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Put the value of r under root 3p square plus q square whole square. A is p plus q whole square, p minus q whole square. Yes, we can solve a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b, a minus b. It will be cancelled. P square plus p square, 2p square. Now we can write 3p square plus q square minus 2p square minus 2q square. Three p minus 2p, p square, q minus 2q, q square. Or cos theta, it will be cancelled. 1 by 2, theta is 60 degree. In the next question, if two forces act in opposite direction, resultant is 10 Newton. If act at right angle, resultant is 50 Newton. Find the value of each force. Now, in opposite direction, like this, vector A, vector B, A minus B is equal to 10. We can find the value of A, 10 plus B. Act at right angle. This is A and B, 90. So R square equal A square plus B square. R is 50. A is 10 plus B. Cos 90 is 0. It will be 0. Or we can write factors will be taking B is equal to 30, A is this is required result. Now you can solve numerical based on this topic. If you have any doubt, then please send me your doubts to me.